Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. Got my notes. We're going to start talking Evergrande. We're going to talk how big is this collapse? How's it going to affect us? Without further ado, here we go. All right. Evergrande stock has been suspended as of last night. That was Sunday, October 2nd. Today is October 3rd, and the stock has been suspended. People are freaking out. It's affecting markets. It's definitely building a narrative, or let's put it this way, because we have the blame game. Every country's wanting to blame each other because everyone's economy is really hurting right now. So this is a great chance to blame, right? It's not taking away from the fact that this Evergrande crash is huge, but that's just what it is, right? No reason was given, okay? They've halted trading. Here's the facts. They've already, as of what is it, last week, they have failed to make interest payments on 2 offshore bonds, okay? So that's affecting all types of different countries, including America, okay? There are American companies with exposure to Evergrande debt, all right? Next, as of today, there is another dollar-denominated note that is maturing today, October 3rd, which was issued originally for $260 million. The question is, are they gonna pay it? I have a feeling no, but as the time I'm recording this, the sun's just rising, it's pretty early. We don't know. They may not. I'm pretty sure they're not. But here's the deal. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. I do not believe that the Evergrande crash is our Lehman Brothers moment. I believe it's the Bear Stearns moment in the global span of things, all right? When Bear Stearns crashed in the spring of 2008, not a lot of people paid attention. Absolutely blew me away because I was following all this from 2006 to 2008. My mouth was dropped. I'm like, how could you, it was just, oh yeah, they closed. Yeah, I mean, we know it crashed, it's bad, it sucks. Another bank, Lehman Brothers, took over some of their book. Other banks, you know, got some of their assets, but we'll go on, all right? Then, was it 5 months later, Lehman Brothers is closing down, it's evaporating, then the world goes into panic. That's what I believe we're seeing here. But the truth is, the sheer size, the amount of debt that's out there right now that Evergrande has issued, the amount of assets they have, all this kind of stuff, everything here is larger, you know, than Lehman Brothers. And it's a big deal, okay? But I do not believe that this is the big crash. I think it's gonna cause a lot of stuff in October. Robert Kiyosaki's on record now saying that he believes in October you're gonna see a crash in the markets. I do believe that's true, but it's not what you think it is, okay? This is a systemic collapse. Little bits be taken down until the really big one. And the facts are, a lot of governments, a lot of central banks have the ability to paper over this situation, but I don't think that it's gonna last long. I think within 2022 and 2023, we're gonna see an epic turn in all markets. I believe these are just those little triggering points that are leading to that, all right? You know, Robert Kiyosaki and I were talking about the interbank lending fiasco in September of 2019, and we were talking about that 11 months ago. The people don't really realize how significant that was. But right now he's calling for October, and I believe he's right, but it's not like the big one, all right? But let's put it this way, guys, it doesn't mean you shouldn't be continually getting prepared. This isn't the time to get into debt. We're gonna do some more videos here pretty shortly about more price increases that are coming our way and supply chain breakdowns. It's gonna get nutty. But I just want to give you that deal. Just be watching Evergrande. It's a great story to stay on top of, because as you start to watch central planners and how they deal with this crisis, it gives you a really good idea for what's coming in the spring. As you watch these other dominoes fall, you go, okay, I've seen this before. I recognize the type of language they use, the rhetoric, or you know, the narratives, and now I know we're in trouble. So I hope you guys got something out of this. I hope you guys have a great day. With that being said, the Economic Ninja is out.